Hey guys, today we unboxed a rather large order of Maybelline Sure Stay matte lip inks. Definitely my largest single product order to date. In total, there were 237 lip inks in 13 shades. 50 in Loyalist, 40 in Dreamer, 14 in Lover, 5 in Pioneer, 6 in Heroine, 16 in Romantic, 6 in Creator, 10 in Believer, a whopping 76 in Voyager, 4 in Driver, 2 in Pathfinder, 2 in Savant, 2 in Mover, 2 in Ringleader, and 2 in Revolutionary. Thanks so much for watching. These are available now, buy one get one 25% off on my eBay store. I'll put a link to them in the description.